It's going on YouTube. Dog ass here with Greg.
Yep.
We finished up this intercooler finally. You know, this thing's actually looking pretty fucking sick. Just having trouble keeping all the pipes on. Get some light down there, Greg. Right down there, you can see that pipe's not connected. You know, I just gotta put it back on there and tighten it down better. I didn't really have it on there 100%. He had the same issue with his when he put his on there.
Yep.
You know, these clamps are actually bigger than they really should be, so you gotta really crank down on them to get them to actually stay tight. So it's a matter of getting the pipe to blow off and finding your weak spots. It's a pain in the ass, but it's well worth it in the end. Just on the test drives we've taken, the spool is insane. I had nothing but smiles on my face. I was shocked. You know, I mean, I don't know about you, but...
Yeah, no, it sounded good. It sounded real good.
So, we also rerouted some of this stuff down in here. This is the line that goes to the recirc valve from the N75 under this stupid pancake. I have a Forge 007 blow-off valve right there. That's coming literally straight off of the intake boot down in there. You're not going to be able to see it all. There's no light and all this bullshit is in the way. Got the hot air intake hanging.
Yeah, we literally used a fucking piece of goddamn radiator hose to route off of the inlet pipe, or the charge pipe right off the turbo, and then there's a piece of fucking like I said, radiator hose that goes straight up into the bottom side of the Forge 007 splitter valve. But otherwise, I mean, it seems like it's pretty solid. We got the brackets holding it up. Just needs a little bit more, prep work and everything like that. But that's just our temporary hold onto there now, and all the intercooler piping's strong on the actual intercooler.
Yeah, it actually is.
It's just a matter of getting the fucking...
Shout out to Greg for actually coming up with this flat stock idea. This flat stock idea was brilliant.
Yeah.
Like, absolutely brilliant. I couldn't have thought of anything better. I was going to use angle iron, but this was a better idea.
Mm-hmm.
Took a little more time having to drill the holes, but, you know.
My car.
Yeah. If it works, it works. Why change it?
Yeah. Don't fix something that's not working.
Right. So,
Anyway,
I'll get back to you guys in the morning with an actual update on how it runs with all the piping together. So, he'll probably give you an update on whatever the fuck he's doing, whatever he's uploading.
Yep.
He is up in New York right now, so we might give you some snowboarding videos. We'll see. Depends on how the GoPro acts.
Yeah.
It doesn't really like the snow sometimes. So, you want to give him an outro?
Yeah, guys, just, be easy, stay safe, and, keep on fucking pushing pounds. You know what I'm saying? Later, guys.